Welcome to our Ultimate 2025 Side Hustle Tier List. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, exploring the most lucrative and rewarding options available this year. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash, pursue a passion project, or even transition into a new career, we've got you covered. We'll break down various side hustles into tiers, highlighting which ones are truly worth your time and effort. As we navigate through the ever-evolving landscape of gig economy opportunities, we'll provide insights into what makes each hustle stand out. From online ventures to hands-on gigs, we'll discuss the pros and cons, potential earnings, and the skills you might need. So, if you're curious about which side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals in 2025, stick around. You won't want to miss our expert recommendations and tips that can set you on the path to success. Understanding side hustles. Side hustles are essentially part-time jobs or entrepreneurial ventures that individuals pursue alongside their primary employment. They serve as a means to supplement income, explore passions, or even transition into new career paths. In today's economy, where job security can be uncertain, side hustles have become increasingly important for financial growth and stability. The popularity of side hustles spans across various demographics, from college students seeking extra cash to professionals looking to diversify their income streams. With the rise of the gig economy and digital platforms, more people are discovering flexible opportunities that fit their lifestyles. Engaging in side hustles offers numerous benefits, including the potential to pay off debt, save for future goals, or simply enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. Additionally, they provide a chance to develop new skills and expand professional networks. As we navigate an ever-changing economic landscape, side hustles are proving to be a vital tool for achieving financial resilience and independence. Criteria for evaluation. When creating our ultimate side hustle tier list, we considered several key criteria to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of each option. First and foremost is income potential, which assesses how much money you can realistically earn from each side hustle. Next, we looked at time commitment, evaluating how many hours you'll need to invest weekly to see meaningful returns. Scalability is another crucial factor. We want to identify hustles that can grow with you, allowing for increased earnings as you gain experience or expand your efforts. These criteria align closely with practical financial strategies for 2025, as they help you prioritize opportunities that not only fit your lifestyle but also contribute to your long-term financial goals. It's essential to evaluate side hustles based on your personal circumstances, such as available time, skills, and financial needs. By considering these factors, you can make informed decisions that align with your aspirations, ensuring that your side hustle journey is both rewarding and sustainable. Top-tier side hustles. In our tier list, several side hustles have emerged as top contenders due to their impressive income potential and accessibility for beginners. First up is freelance writing, which allows individuals to leverage their writing skills for various clients. With the demand for content on the rise, writers can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Next, we have dropshipping, a retail fulfillment method that requires minimal upfront investment. Entrepreneurs can start an online store without holding inventory, making it an attractive option for those new to e-commerce. Successful dropshippers often report monthly earnings in the thousands. Another standout is virtual tutoring, where educators can share their knowledge in subjects they excel at. With platforms like VIP Kid, tutors can earn $15 to $25 per hour, and the flexibility makes it easy to fit into any schedule. These side hustles not only offer substantial income potential but also provide real-life success stories, inspiring others to take the plunge and start their own journeys. Mid-tier side hustles. In our mid-tier category, we find side hustles that offer decent income potential but may require a bit more effort or time commitment. One such option is pet sitting or dog walking. While it can be rewarding and enjoyable, it often involves irregular hours and physical activity. The income can range from $15 to $30 per hour, depending on your location and the number of clients you attract. Another solid choice is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission on sales. While the earning potential can be significant, it requires time to build an audience and create engaging content. The pros include passive income opportunities, but the cons involve the initial effort to establish your online presence. Lastly, consider print-on-demand services, which allow you to design and sell custom products without inventory. While it offers creative freedom, success often hinges on effective marketing strategies. These mid-tier options can be great fits depending on your personal situation, so weigh the pros and cons carefully before diving in. Lower-tier side hustles. In our lower-tier category, we evaluate side hustles that often have limited potential or high barriers to entry, making them less appealing for those seeking significant returns on their time investment. One example is mystery shopping. While it can be fun to evaluate customer service, the pay is typically low, often ranging from $10 to $20 per assignment, and the work can be sporadic. Another option is selling handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy. Although it allows for creativity, the competition is fierce, and it can take considerable time to build a customer base. Many sellers find that the effort required to market their products often outweighs the profits. Additionally, participating in online surveys may seem easy, but the compensation is minimal, usually just a few cents per survey. Given these limitations, it's wise to focus on higher-tier options that offer better returns and align more closely with your financial goals. Investing your time in more promising side hustles can lead to greater success and satisfaction. Tips for success. To thrive in your chosen side hustle, effective time management and productivity strategies are essential. Start by setting clear goals and creating a schedule that allocates specific time blocks for your side hustle activities. Use tools like calendars or productivity apps to keep track of deadlines and tasks, ensuring you stay organized and focused. Networking is another crucial element for success. Connect with others in your field through social media platforms, local meetups, or online forums. Building relationships can lead to valuable opportunities, collaborations, and even mentorship. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from experienced individuals who can provide insights and advice. Lastly, prioritize continuous learning and adaptability. The market is always evolving, and staying updated on trends and best practices can give you a competitive edge. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading industry-related materials to enhance your skills. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well equipped to navigate your side hustle journey and achieve your financial goals. In this video, we explored the ultimate 2025 side hustle tier list, breaking down the top, mid, and lower tier options available to you. We highlighted the importance of evaluating side hustles based on income potential, time commitment, and scalability. From lucrative freelance writing and dropshipping to the more challenging mystery shopping, we provided insights to help you make informed decisions about your side hustle journey. As you consider which side hustle aligns best with your goals, remember to focus on those that offer the best returns for your time and effort. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from it as well. We're here to support you in achieving your financial goals and navigating the exciting world of side hustles. Thanks for watching.